Hi everyone, welcome to Educare. I am creating this video because 2 days before I have created one video in which I have given the information about important diagrams for SSLC students in Kannada. So then English medium students asked the same information in English. So I am creating the same. I am creating this video in which I am explaining the same in English. And if you didn't subscribe to our channels yet, subscribe to our channel because the information regarding or about in education will be given in our channel, and like this video now itself because it is definitely going to help you. Let's start the video, and the list of the diagrams as follow. And from the first chapter of the SSLC, the name of the chapter is chemical reactions and equations. The diagram from this chapter is electrolysis of water, and the second chapter is acids, bases and salts. And the diagrams from these chapters are, there are totally 2 diagrams. Okay, now reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning, and another one is acid solution in water conducts electricity. These 2 diagrams are important from the second chapter. And the third chapter is metals and nonmetals, and the diagrams are as follow: action of steam on a metal and testing the conductivity of a salt solution, and the another one is electrolytic refining of the copper. These 3 diagrams are important from the third chapter. The name of the chapter is metals and nonmetals, and the next chapter is life process, and the diagrams are open and closed stomatophores, and the another diagram is from the same chapter, human alimentary canal, and another one is schematic sectional view of the human heart, and another one is excretory system of human beings, and another one is structure of nephron. And from the next chapter, control and coordination, structure of neuron and human brain. And the next chapter is electricity, and the diagram from this chapter is the schematic diagram of electric circuit and symbol of some commonly used components in electrical circuit. And another one is electrical circuit for studying Ohm's law, and another one is resistors in series, and another one is resistors are in parallel. So these are the diagrams important in this chapter. The name of the chapter is electricity, and the next chapter is magnetic effect of electric current, and the important diagrams are the pattern of a concentric circles indicating the field lines of a magnetic field around the straight conducting wire, and the another one is the simple electric motor, and another one is electrical generator. And the next chapter is how do organisms reproduce, and the important diagrams from these chapters are longitudinal section of flower and germination of pollen on stigma. And the next chapter is light reflection and refraction. The diagrams are ray diagram for a image formation by a concave mirror, and the next one is the position size and the nature of the image formed by a convex lens for a various positions of the object. And another one is from the same chapter, nature, position and relative size of the image formed by a concave lens. And the next chapter is human eye and colorful world. And the important diagrams are, first one, far point of a myopic eye, next one myopic eye and correction of myopia, and the next one is near point of the hypermetropic eye and correction of hypermetropic eye. And another one is from the same chapter, recombination of the spectrum of white light. And the last chapter is source of energy, and the important diagrams from this chapter is schematic diagram of a biogas plant. I think this information is helpful to you. If this information is helpful to you, share this information with your friends, and like the video if you didn't like it yet. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.